welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're looking at the Ferrari magazine number 24. This is the 330, I think it's P. Let's have a quick look to make sure I'm getting this right. P4, 330 P4. Now, we'll have a look at the die-cast car at the end. Got some decent detail on that. I'll go through the magazine first, showing you what you get very briefly, and then we'll have a closer look at the car. So inside this issue, the single-seaters, pages 3 to 8 are the high hopes for El Burrito in the 15685. Competition models, this is the 330 P4 from 1964. Beautiful, beautiful shape on this thing. Production models is the 250 GT Cabriolet, and the poster is of this particular car, the 330 P4. High hopes for El Burrito. The Milanese driver, Michael El Burrito, the wheel of the 15685 Ferrari, has his sights setly firm on winning the Formula One Drivers' Championship for the first time in 1979. The classic 27 number on that, which I think we already showed that or got it coming up. Engine is a 120 degree V6, 1.5 litre, or 1.496.4 cc to be exact. 780 brake horsepower at 11,000 RPM. That's pretty impressive. Maximum speed over 340 kilometers an hour, or 211 mile per hour. Yeah. Those were the days. Tense rivalry with McLaren. Yes, they were. At Spa, this one here, Rainy Ardennes. Rainy Spa, Francorchamps in 1985. El Burrito failed to repeat his 84 success in the 126C4. Senna won. The rain affected a race ahead of Mansell and Prost, who was heading towards the Drivers' Championship. Yeah. So the 85 honours Brazil. He came second. Portuguese second. Monaco second. Canadian first. US third. French fourth, British second, German first, Austrian third, Dutch fourth, and South Africa fourth. Still did very well. The end of the season, McLaren took the Constructors' title by 8 points over Ferrari, while El Burrito finished 20 points behind winner Alain Prost. Johansson ended the season 7th with 26 points, and he at least had the satisfaction of leading his debut for Ferrari at San Marino before retiring. Yeah. The 330 P4 1964, look at that beautiful shape. That is a track car only, surely. Surely they didn't drive those on the street. The one and only example of the 330 P4 Spider, an open-top variant of the better-known model with closed bodywork, it was created by modifying a P30 P3. Well, there you go. In addition to these 3 P4s developed for the Le Mans 24-hour race, one more chassis was added. This was a P4 with Spider bodywork and had been created by converting a P3. Over the course of the year, several 412P cars were constructed, all the same as the 330 P4, except for the fuel supply system that consisted of 6 Weber 40 DCN/2 carburetors instead of a Lucas fuel injection system. Yeah, if you want to read the whole story or the whole article here, pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to keep moving on. Here's our poster. Okay. Also have a black and white on the other side. It's car number 21. Engine was a 60 degree V12, front longitudinal. Front longitudinal? No, engine's in the rear. Why does it say front? Capacity of 3.967.44, so essentially a 4 litre, 450 brake horsepower at 8,200 RPM with a top speed of 320 or 199 mile an hour. Yeah, 3 coupes and 1 Spider. Don't know why it says front longitudinal. I would have said rear, but okay. So the 330 P4 honours were 1967 was the Daytona 24 hour that came first and second, Monza 1000 first and second, Spa 1000 fifth, Le Mans 24 hours second, and the BOAC Brands Hatch second and fifth. Instant legend. Yeah, a bit like the Ford GT as well. Ford, was it GT40? Yeah. All right, production models. A 2-seater with class and elegance. Yeah, the 250 GT convertible. There's a bunch of 250s in this collection. I think I got one probably almost that color. Beautiful. Now this is a front-mounted longitudinal 60-degree V12. Yes. 210 horsepower, 6,800 RPM. Top speed of 250 or 155 mile an hour. Numbers produced 240. 40 Series 1 and 200 Series 2. The price of luxury. Second Series 250 GT Cabriolet with the most expensive Ferraris on the market at the 959 Turin Salon. His price was listed at 5.8 million lire, which compared to the 5.5 million lire from the 250 GT Coupe. Yeah, the thing is, that would be now in dollars or more. Coming in part, well, there it is. 250 GT California in that dark. Okay, so it's got the round lights on it rather than that. So magazine number 25. We get to check out that 250 GT California. And I do believe it is in the dark blue. All right, going to take a closer look at the car here. You do have your seats that are pretty much formed into the bodywork in this. See if I can get the dash lit up. Maybe not when the lights are like that, but I've got my handy light. Okay, there we go. So you got your silver buttons, glove box or air vent, Ferrari on the steering wheel. You've got your gear shifter on the right hand side. Here's a right hand drive. I just realised that. Spare wheel in the back, spare tyre I mean. Which I don't think you can see, no, from anywhere else. So there is a spare tyre. Now mine's got a little dusty because it has sat on the shelf for quite a few years now. I do like these though. Can we get that to focus? We've got a little bit of vent stuff here. They actually have been drawn on, they're not actual venting. We do have, mag wheels have a knock-on hub by the looks of it. Silver knock-on hub. Very nice. Taking a look at the front of these. I did try to give it a bit of a polish up. Got to watch you don't take the windscreen wiper off or knock one of these windows off. Had to rebuild these things if I did that. Badges on the side, door handles, just chrome paint, and that rear again, which there's painted black up around here, so it's not actually a cutout there. Hang on, let's get that to focus again. There we go. Beautiful model car though, beautiful model car. Very much like these. I'm going to put that on the turntable so you can have a closer look. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Keep an eye out for the magazine number 25 next week. Cheers. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.